Hello folks, I am CA Shubhi Agrawal and today I will discuss about DPDP Act 2023. This act was launched in August 2023 and the rules has been framed in November 2025. So is this act is fully applicable in India? The answer is no. The government has decided to make the application of this act in a runway of 18 months. So this act would be fully applicable till May 2027. What is personal data? If any person is coming to your office and you are noting down on any paper like the name, email ID, phone number, bank account details or the Aadhaar ID, then this is a personal data. But if you are feeding this data in a cloud-based system or a web application, then that would become a digital personal data. So this act is to protect this digital personal data by this DPDP Act 2023. The government has decided that there would be two persons. One is the user and the second one is data fiduciary. User would be the person who is giving with consent the personal data to any entity or organization for a specific use case. And user has certain rights regarding this data. User can correct this data, user can even delete this data, or user can make a grievance redressal against any breach. And there is data fiduciary. Data fiduciary is a person who is collecting this data for a specific use case. For example, if you are going in a hotel and you are giving a Aadhaar ID for stay purposes, then this Aadhaar ID should be kept in record with this hotel only for that purposes. The hotel cannot utilize this Aadhaar ID or sell this data to any other entity. To stop these type of actions, this DPDP Act has been launched, because nowadays you will see that many e-commerce companies or any web-based applications are taking your personal data on a regular basis and you are giving that. So to protect your personal data, this DPDP Act has been made applicable. So what is Data Protection Board? Under this DPDP Act, a Data Protection Board has been framed to ensure that all the applications, all the sections has been fully applicable by these entities or corporates. And this Data Protection Board will impose certain penalties if these entities or organizations are not complying the sections mentioned in DPDP Act. So what are the penalties? There is a huge penalty under this act. So the penalty amount starts from rupees 10,000 to 250 crores. Yes, it is 250 crores. So many organizations who are collecting 100,000 users data in their systems has to be prepared for this DPDP Act. They have to report under the channel formalized in DPDP Act, and certain audits would be conducted in a certain interval of times regarding the correct use of these personal data. And I'll keep you updated regarding many other things related to this DPDP Act. Thank you so much.